Skills-based routing replaces the group email inbox. Skills-based routing is a strategy that matches work items with the most suitable resource using routing rules. Any business area that deals with request handling can benefit from an intelligent routing system. These requests can come from employees, vendors, partners, or any department. Typically, the handling process is managed using inefficient and confusing group email inboxes. Let's discuss how skills-based routing and workflow automation will make handling requests seamless and more efficient. First, let's reiterate reasons why group email inboxes are inefficient and confusing. No one knows if an email has been handled, it's hard to keep track of group member availability, and urgent emails aren't handled promptly. While there are techniques for trying to make these inboxes work better, it's just not the solution for the long run. Here's where workflow automation fits in. With workflow automation, any element of a new request can be analyzed using business rules. The request is then routed to an individual or pool of individuals best able to manage it. This ensures business efficiency and the best possible experience for the requester. No more requests bouncing around from person to person until the right approver is found. When automation is deployed, requests and tasks are assigned to the person best able to fulfill them, automatically. I'll run through an example. This form and process will avoid the typical ping-pong of emails being sent around to different departments. The request form will gather the information needed to begin the skills-based routing. The next part to recognize here is the requester has selected the request type as budget request. Next is the process itself. There are paths for each option from the form. Here's the path for our option that was selected, budget request. Whatever option was chosen from the form, the request will flow through that path. You can see that by routing to the best people for the job, you will drastically reduce cycle times, interruptions, emails, and headaches. If you'd like to learn more, visit integrify.com. Integrify, making you more productive.